modern business world, effective communication is about more than just vocabulary. It is about understanding corporate culture. To be successful, you must adapt your language to suit different professional situations. Whether you are speaking with your supervisors, collaborating with your peers, or negotiating with external clients, using the correct tone is vital. Efficiency often begins the moment you arrive. While many companies now offer flexible working hours, most employees still maintain a consistent morning routine. After the initial social greetings, which help build rapport among the team, the focus shifts to digital management. Managing your inbox is a critical skill. Professionals prioritize their messages, responding to urgent inquiries from stakeholders before moving on to their general tasks. Many experts recommend creating a daily agenda or to-do list to track progress. In a fast-paced environment, missing a deadline can have a domino effect, causing delays for other departments and potentially damaging the company's reputation. Collaboration is the engine of any successful organization. Throughout the week, you will likely participate in various briefings or formal meetings. These sessions are designed to align the team with the company's long-term objectives. You may also attend or deliver presentations. During a presentation, it is common to use visual aids to highlight key performance indicators, KPIs, or financial data. It is important that you understand the main points of the presentation. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification if a technical term is used that you aren't familiar with. Remember, it is better to ask a question than to make a mistake based on a misunderstanding. Modern office design often emphasizes the importance of a collaborative workspace, but it also recognizes the need for downtime. The break room or communal area serves a dual purpose. While it is a place to recharge with a coffee, it is also where the most valuable networking happens. Engaging in small talk about non-work topics helps build trust and strengthens professional relationships, making it much easier to work together when the pressure is high.